cardio. This is routine 2. Let's get your body moving there. Let's move your body. Kimono cardio. 動きましょうね。Let's move. Cardio しましょうね。It's easy and fast and doesn't take up very much space. This is routine 2. Kimono cardio. Let's get moving. 動きましょうね。Doesn't take up much space. It's easy, fast. Let's move. 動きましょう。場所がかからない。時間もかからない。Kimono cardio. Routine 2. 動きましょうね。体にいいですよ。動きましょう。楽しい。Let's get moving. Move your body. Just a few minutes every day. Good for you. Kimono cardio. Let's move. Let's get that moving. Get that body moving. Easy. Peasy. Thank you. ありがとう。頑張りましょうね。またね。バイバイ。